In this video, I will show how to move a table from Excel to Microsoft Word. So we have this table in Excel. So select it, then copy. Now open your Microsoft Word. Now paste. So once you try to paste, here you will see some options. First one, keep source formatting. Here you can see the preview. Second, use destination styles. Third one, link and keep source formatting. Fourth, link and use destination style as a picture or as a text. So these are all options. To move a table from Excel to Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.